Why do some people love selling? What is that get them fired up on the Monday morning and throw up on the doors and greet week's first customers or the prospect? What motivates someone to undertake trials and turbulence of operating a business? It's got to be the thrill of the chase. Sales is a competitive sport and successful salespeople live for the thrill of victory, not the agony of defeat. Today, let's discuss the common traits between athletes and the salespeople. If you want to know what is the similarities and what are the common traits between salesperson and athletes, then watch the full video. Namaskar, I am Rohit Kashyap, sales growth expert, and you're watching Monday Morning Sales Tip. We help you to grow your business by making sales easy and comfortable. So, if you are interested in learning the latest and the greatest sales and marketing strategies, tools, tips, tricks and tactics, well, you may want to consider subscribing our channel Resilient Rohit. So, you will be able the first to know whenever a new video is released. Let's get started. You may wonder what athletes and salespeople have in common. It's more than you think. Whether you are trying to win on the field, ring or arena, or in the field, don't get confused between in the field and on the field. First is sports field and later is about the sales field. Salespeople and athletes have many common characteristics and traits. Think of a superstar athlete you idolized when you were growing up. Maybe you have dreamt of hitting a centuries like Sachin Tendulkar, or a win a bout like the greatest king of the ring, Muhammad Ali, or win a Wimbledon like Serena Williams, or hitting an ace and a smash like PV Sindhu, or lighting a stadium like Usain Bolt. You recognize in them, and so many others have too. Not only do they have the talent to succeed, they have a drive and urge and the passion to make it happen and leave the mark. Athletes thrive on competition, using it as a motivator to enhance their own games. This is what athletes and salespeople have in common. You may never play in the Olympics or the World Cup, but you can take a page out of these superstars win at all cost playbook when it comes to sales motivation. To be successful in competitive atmosphere, similar qualities, disciplines and tactics of top athletes are required. Here are the top 10 common traits among salespeople and the athletes. Let's start with number 1. That's called competitive spirit. I am the greatest, Muhammad Ali once said. I said that even before I knew I was. There's a reason why Ali is the most legendary boxer of all time. Sure, he's immensely skilled and talented, but that's true of a lot of others boxers too. But Ali is as famous for his confidence and competitive spirit as for his boxing acumen. It's that kind of fighting spirit that's going to serve as a prime sales motivation and take you far in the industry. There's a lot of other people out there trying to make a sales. You have to want it more. Number 2, that's his discipline. Sachin Tendulkar was a great cricket sensation who began playing at the age of 11 years old, and he could outplay many professionals before he was in his teens. He is the highest run scorer of all time in the international cricket and the only player to have scored 100 international centuries. The first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international. The holder of the record of the most runs in both Test and ODI cricket, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. Such a long cricketing career is not possible without discipline. Despite these innate gifts, records he broke, and the honors he received, Sachin still practiced endlessly growing up and continues to this day. In order to be a very best in sales, you need to have a discipline to work hard every day, to put in the hours it takes to be successful. Similarity number 3, drive to succeed. Perhaps no athlete best exemplifies the drive you need to succeed in the sports than Usain Bolt. Growing up in Jamaica, Bolt did not have an advantage that lot of successful champions do. His parents run a local grocery store in the rural areas, and Bolt spent his time playing cricket and football in the street with his brothers. But today he earns millions of dollars in endorsement every year and an 8-time Olympic gold medalist. Bolt is the only sprinter to win Olympic 100 and 200 meter titles at 3 consecutive Olympics, 208, 212, 216. Many consider Bolt is not just a great sprinter of all time, but considered widely as the greatest athlete of all time. The drive to succeed like Usain Bolt is a part of what athlete and salesman have in common. No matter what advantages you start off with, you take what you are given and make it work. Similarity number 4, persistence. When Michael Jordan was in high school in North Carolina, he was already a talented basketball player. But his coach didn't recognize just how talented he was. When he tried out in his university team, he didn't make it a cut and he was placed on a B team instead. Rather than let him down, he kept it, eventually went to be regarded as the greatest basketball player of all the time. This kind of persistence is a key in sales motivation. In sales, you have to hear no a lot. When you are just starting out, you are likely going to hear it a lot more than you hear yes. You can't let it discourage you, and you can't give up. Similarity number 5, focus on winning. Yes, winning is a habit. This is synonymous to Michael Phelps, also known as Baltimore Bullet. He came home empty-handed from his first Olympic Games at Sydney in 2000 at the age of 15. But from there onwards, he didn't look back. Phelps is the most decorated Olympian of all time. Collecting 28 gold medals in his career, he was 10 more medals than the next closest Olympic, former Soviet gymnast Larasia. No one comes closer to the gold medal count, which is 14 more than Larasia's 9. That unrevealed degree of success should serve as a prime sales motivation for many sales people. No matter what team you root for, you want to win like Michael Phelps. As a salesperson, your focus should be on your prospects and customers, how you can help them to solve their problems. Similarity number 6, resilience. Yes, that's a very important characteristic. Resilience means bouncing back. What a story of an IPL 2021 championship winners, Chennai Super Kings. You can learn many lessons from Chennai Super Kings. That's an IPL champion. In IPL 2020, they were the first team to be out of qualifying round. People start calling them with the names like Old Boys Team or Dad's Squad. Chennai Super King team has shown extraordinary attitude and a character to turn things around this season in 2021. Not only did they finish second in the group stage, but they were the first team to qualify for IPL 21 finals, beating Delhi Capitals in the first qualifier. This resilience is a part of what athlete and salesperson have in common. Setbacks happens, and sometimes they are unavoidable when customer says no, and many times you have to listen no before getting the first yes. The key is to pick up yourself and dust yourself off and get back out there. Eventually, you will succeed. Similarity number 7, and that's an important similarity known as constant improvement. And very important to have constant improvement in your life. In 1983, virtually unknown internationally, Sergei Bubka won the world championship in Helsinki, Finland, and became pole vault champion. And that the following year, he set his first world record, clearing 5.85 meter. He became the first athlete ever to jump over 6.10 meters. Bubka won 6 consecutive IAAF World Championship and Olympic gold medal, and broke the world record of men's pole vault 35 times. 35 times world record he broke of his world record only. That is called continuous improvement. It was an astonishing world record achievement that made Sergei one of the most celebrated athletes of all time. Athletes are never satisfied that the best has already been achieved. They are always ready to run faster, be stronger, and accomplish more. That's what athletes and salesperson have in common. No matter what level of success you feel you have achieved in these industries, there are always opportunities to do it better, to work harder. This constant drive to do your best can work as powerful sales motivation. Similarity number 8, commitment. According to Merriam-Webster dictionary, commitment means a promise to do or give something, or a promise to be loyal to someone or something. According to Cambridge dictionary, says that it's willingness to give your time and energy to a job, activity, or something that you believe in. So it's willingness and your belief. Anyone can be competitive and creative, but one who are relentlessly committed to creativity and competitiveness are the one who will win. Athletes commit themselves to years of hard work, to practice, training, weekend trips, and giving up their normal social life. Typically, they have perseverance to succeed and are able to commit to themselves, their company, and their potential customers. You must be committed to your work, whether you don't like it. Like many of us don't like to make a cold call, but still you have to make, and that is a commitment. You must be dedicated to be a great salesperson. Similarity number 9. Able to move on to the next game. Win or lose, there's always another opportunity to succeed. In sales and sports, you have to learn from your losses, and figure out the weak spot for improvement. When you win, don't let it get to your head. Each season, each physical years, you have to start with new. Yes, you have to start with 0-0 scores. You have to figure out the new ways to win again. Last but not the least, and the most important similarity number 10, coachable. If you want to make a dent in your universe, you have to be coachable. Even world-class athletes need coaches. You can see all the sports person from Sachin Tendulkar to Dhoni, from Serena Williams to Saina Nehwal, all have coaches. Legendary basketball coach John Wooden once said, "It's what you learn after you know it all that counts." I believe this is the most important characteristics for any successful salesperson. Most athletes known that it means to accept and apply coaching. Accepting feedback is the key to continuous improvement. If a salesperson is not coachable, this leads to complacency. We are not all blessed with an amazing physical gifts or like these superstar athletes, but hard work and determination are not things you are born with. They are things you work towards. Using these amazing athletes as your sales motivation role model can be the first step to an amazing sales career. It's no coincidence that the salesperson and spokesperson are willing to do whatever it takes to succeed. What other characteristics do you think make a good salesperson? Let us know. Please do comment what did you like most in this video and what are the other topics you want I should make a video on. Also check other videos I have linked here. I am sure they will help you to increase your sales. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give a like and a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, then dislike it. But make sure to subscribe our channel Resilient Rohit, ring the bell to get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Please share this video with your family, friends, colleagues as much as you can, and also to those whom you think can be benefited. See you next Monday. Till then, happy selling. Sharing is caring.